Today we're going to talk about why I close claims in the field versus scoping all day long and then writing them up later. And there's three main reasons why I always settle all my claims closed, completely closed, everything's done on site. And number one, it's more accurate. I don't have to guess at measurements. If I happen to miss a photo, like the risk photo or another photo, I can jump out of the car and get it. A more complete estimate, more accurate estimate is what I get out of closing my claims on site. Number two, I have better numbers because one of the metrics that your managers will use to track your numbers with is inspected to close ratio. So in other words, if you have 10 files out and you've inspected 5, they really want to see that you have 5 closed. When I close claims in the field, my inspected to closed is always 100%. One way this helps you out is that your numbers are going to be higher than everybody else's because from day one, you're going to be turning in closed claims. So the person with the highest production numbers is going to start getting more new claims as they come in. And number three, and probably one of the biggest ones, is that because I'm closing it on site, I'm handing the customer a copy of the estimate. My customer service numbers are outstanding because the insured knows what to expect. The next step is he's getting a check in the mail, or I've handed him a check, and all he or she has to do is get with their contractor, make sure that we have an agreed scope, which a lot of the times the contractor's there. I've gotten an agreed scope and pricing with the contractor already, and so the file is completely done. There's nothing else that you have to do on it. Which brings me to a bonus, number 4. When I get done at the end of the day, when the sun goes down, I go back to my hotel room or my RV or wherever, and I watch TV, or I have dinner, or I go to sleep, something that's in short supply for CAT adjusters. So in closing, I challenge any other adjusters who do claims where they scope them all day long and then they stay up all night long writing, or they scope for 3 days in a row and then they write for 2 or 3 days in a row. I challenge you to stack your numbers up against mine with regard to speed, the accuracy of your estimates and how many claims reopen for supplements, and how good your customer service numbers. I'm going to win. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like these videos, and head on over to adjustertv.com where I've got a whole lot more stuff for you guys to check out. Again, thank you so much for watching, and have a great storm.